Introduction to division. Let's look at some examples. Right, we've got some stars here. The first question is how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've got 15 stars. How many rows? Well, generally with rows, we go across. 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 rows across. How many stars in each row? Well, let's look at that first row. They're all the same. The first row there, let's count how many stars in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 stars in each row. Fantastic. Well, this time we've got some carrots. And the question is, how many carrots, firstly? Well, I think we could count these in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. We've got 8 carrots. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 groups. How many carrots in each group? Well, that's easy. We can see that each group is simply made up of 2 carrots.